This is the clip. Don't lose them because I already lost one inside my fucking engine bay. So I don't know how well you can see it. Goes into that, and then you just insert these clips to hold it in place. Nice solid clip to them. Here. This one. See, there's a clip there, a clip there, one in the corner. That's that notch that I was telling you about, the thing slides into. Another clip there. There's the other notch. And there's one clip in the corner that I'm missing because I lost it. And that's the final sixth one. And that's it. It's installed. That's all you gotta do. I'll put the part number in the description. Thanks for watching, guys.